Okay, welcome to video 3 of SAT Math Review, Number and Operations, Part 3. This is going to be the last part of Number and Operations, then we're going to move on to Algebra and Functions. But with regard to Number and Operations, here's what we're going to do today. Ratio, proportion, percent, combinations and permutations, and sets and sequences. So this rounds out all the number and operation stuff. But you'll see exactly what I mean. If you don't understand that terminology, you'll understand it here in a minute. But first I'm going to start with this. Percentage. Some of you may know some of these tricks. Many of you may not. So let's go over it real quick. You know, percentage is actually a lot easier than people really think. You know, let's say you want to leave a tip. You go out to eat. You need to leave a tip. So maybe the bill comes to $15, oh, let's say, and 25 cents. $15.25. Now, who can tell me what's 10% of that? What's 10%? Well, 10% we're just dividing by 10, so that means we just move the decimal point over. So 10% of 15.25 is 152, but we round up to $1.53. 10% of 15.25 is that. Now this is illustrating a very important point that we're going to use when we get to the problems, which is 10% of, this means, I'm going to rewrite this in terms of math. So this is English. We're going to translate into math. It's going to look like this. 0.1. 0.1, or we could say 0.10. This is 10% in decimal.